Okay, 5 down. 1 more to go. This is the one that's got the plug in it. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to put a patch plug in there just because I think that's a better way to go. I'll show you how I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I pulled the old plug out, and actually once I snipped it up here, it just fell out pretty much out of the bottom. You take a tool like this and you're going to clean out the hole. This is a pretty good sized hole in this thing. Usually it's harder to go in than that, but that's a pretty good sized hole. So it's cleaned out now. Now I got to go on the inside of the tire and get that prepped for the patch. Okay, the next step, I can't really show you me doing it because it's inside the tire. But there's the hole in the tire. And what I need to do is I need to rough up the rubber where the patch is going to sit against the tire there. And I use this tool here. I guess they call this like a buffer or something. But really I'm just roughing up the area where the patch is going to go. I'm using a plug patch to fix this. And basically you pull the plug through. You got adhesive on this side and you use your cement. I'll show you that when I do that. And it's a plug patch. Much better repair than just a regular plug, because it really, there's no way for the plug to actually come out. So this is a much better repair than just a standard plug. I'm guessing whoever did this tire might have done it on the trail or whatever. And you know, that's fine to get home, but really when you get home you got to fix it this way so it doesn't go flat on you again. Okay, so there's my area. Should cover the, big enough to cover that patch there. Now it's time for the cement. Okay, so here's the cement I'm going to use here. What you're going to do is you got to clean your area off. Then you're going to paint the cement on. Bigger than your patch area. Bigger than this is going to cover. Then what you're going to do is you're going to let that set up for a little bit. I guess it says allow it to dry, and then you're going to put your patch on. There's adhesive backing here. Pull that off. I'm going to push that through. I'm going to pull on this with the pliers. I'll probably use some cement to lubricate that a little bit to get it to slide through a little easier, and then we will have a repaired tire. Okay, so our cement is dried. I got my plug patch here, and I pulled the backing off. I got a little cement on there to a little cement on there for lubrication to pull this through. So I just stuck it through the hole there. I'm going to take my vice grips and give her a few more tugs. Make sure she's good and seated. Then we need another tool. Okay, so finally we've got to use this tool here. It's got a little roller on it. There's some grooves. And we're gonna push that patch down. Probably should cut this off first before we do that. You're just rolling this on the patch, pushing it on. And we should be good. I'll cut this off here and we'll have a permanent repair.